Well, hello again. Here it is. We are having a little special thing here for Thanksgiving for the folks here that was at the auctions and everything. This is in the auction tent. And just to give you a little bit of an idea, it's pretty good. Say hello to Andreas. On. Of course, our fearless leader, Krantz, a belly wanker. And here we go. Look at here. This is
the belly wanker.
We'll see what the turkey is. Isn't that beautiful? They have gone out, really gone out. Just to show you just what it is. But the food is absolutely spectacular. You can't find something you like, go away.
Leave it to John to walk right in the middle of my shot.
Beautiful presentation, wonderful tasting, nice people, and there's all the hot plates. So here we go, and we're off to dinner.